Hey, I'm Jared from Lionheart Kombucha. Here in Portland, Oregon, we make low sugar dry kombucha, and we are a small business making about 1,000 gallons a week. Our bestseller is Ginger Fix, which is packed with real fresh ginger, and it is so low sugar that it is exactly what a lot of kombucha drinkers want. We participated in the food and beverage program with Bring here in Oregon. Bring provided free technical assessment and advice, but they also paid for us to insulate doors, windows, and tanks here at the facility, saving us a lot of energy. Bring sponsored us to insulate this door to add insulation here, and it is noticeably reduced the cross breeze, and it's warmer in here in the winter and it's cooler in the summer in this room because of this, and we didn't have to pay anything. They fully reimbursed us.
I just want to say thank you for Beth from Bring. One of the first projects she helped us fund were these insulation on our fermentation tanks. The insulation project has helped reduce our energy costs from heating and cooling these tanks.
They connected us with programs that helped us get a new sanitizer that is healthier for our staff, a new sanitizer that is less toxic. They helped us get new lights installed for free through Energy Trust of Oregon, and now we're saving lots of energy.
This is Beth with Bring Recycling. Supporting food and beverage manufacturers across Oregon has been such a delight. This pollution prevention grant focused on food and beverage manufacturing was funded by the EPA and administered by the Oregon Department of Environmental Quality, allowing us to support food and beverage manufacturers across the state of Oregon to take the next sustainable step and fund some of the changes that we would love for them to make. With the technical assistance we provide at Bring, we come in and do a walkthrough with businesses. We get to tell them all the things they're doing really well, and we get to help them make that next sustainable step.
It feels good to make our company more efficient, less pollution, safer for our staff, and just to know that we're having less of a climate impact, having a better impact on the future.